What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video of this 2017 model of the Deere X580 mower. Now as you can see, this is a very nice looking mower in my opinion. I know, but we got this new back in 2017 and ever since we've been using the Cup Today LT 1050 we've been using, but now we just got to upgrade to this nice Deere X580. When it first came out in 2016, and I think that it's pretty good exactly, you can tell, but pretty well used. I mean, you can tell this thing's been used quite a bit. I mean, yeah, I know. To take the deck on this thing, it is a pain in the ass to take the deck off on this thing because you have to move you have to move this kind of knob right here to actually roll the deck back and forth to 1 to 4 inches, which it goes like 1.5 to 3.5 and 2.5 or sometimes, but it's now setting on this right here, so you can't do anything. But the seat was not like this because it was brand new, and you can see the seat's got some lips in it. If we were doing something like this, we could actually upgrade to a seat cover on this machine. But the seat cover, the person who owns seat, and it costs like $100 for just for on the seat because it has the safety switch right there, which sometimes is definitely what it is. The wheels got replaced last year because they were worn out completely, and one of the tie rods that actually broke, I think. What was it? I think it was the other side. Yeah, it was this side right here that went out on this one. But luckily enough, this thing has been used quite a bit. Here's the cover for putting on your stuff. It's got the water thing, which we've been using last year, but this thing hasn't been used that much. Maybe we can tell. This one's got a power steering on it. The steering has got a little bit slop in it because it's been like that ever since we're new. The 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. It's a pretty nice looking engine in my opinion, but I mean, and this thing is actually does have enough power with the 54-inch SLD deck on it. I think it's pretty good. We did change the oil on this one last year because if I started this up in April, back in like April 7th I think it was, and this thing started on February, and you can tell this is a 2017 model because you can look at the stick right there. See, it says there's a 50 hours, which it's gonna get outdated warranty, but well, you can see, let's see right there, 2017 model, and this is Kawasaki engine. Now some people call this an iTorque power sensor because it says iTorque, which that, I mean, that's true, but is it, if you look on the side here, it's made by Kawasaki, which you didn't know that exactly. And the battery is still the original. It's no problems with the battery so far. We had to keep taking the battery out and out like that because if it's sitting for like all winter now, you waste how much you expected. But the hood is actually good shape. Except for it's covered some poops on like there and like there. It's one like there, and it was one like there too. But otherwise, this mower is actually still good shape now. Like the Journey logo on the back. Got the fake reflectors. If you see on the Mike's JD's channel, he put the lights on the back of this X570, which what it is. It used to have to shoot, but we took it off because it's I don't know if the shoot's kind of plasticky, which most of the time we can get to actually you can tell, but so far the file doesn't have any problems, but I know sometimes if you use them, the file will snap off one of these times, but because the file is plastic. The other ones that come like some of the mowers like that, they're metal, but this one's all plastic. If you leave this outside, they will snap off the file off because this one's got the file and choke separate though. The X580 has the field ejector, so that means there's no choke on this one. The X584 has the same identical one, but this one's forward steering. This one's a two-wheel drive. The old means is actually a two-wheel drive model. So I do hope with this thing, at this point, we just change the blades, check the belt, the spring tape before we cut some grass again, which is definitely what it is exactly, but so you can see, it's got the seat adjustment right there, which is actually pretty nice. Got the gas thing on this side, but sometimes some like the S series to put it underneath the seat, or some models there to put it underneath the hood, which I mean you could do that, but it's like you ain't expected this thing. And so far, I have no problems with this Deere X580 except for the tire oil broke off, the belt keeps snapping off. But other than that, this is a very nice looking mower in my opinion. And also we did put a suicide knob on this thing so we can actually use it for like a long time now a little bit. But I do like this X580 and it looks pretty good. I hope that this thing will survive the whole season this year.